Alright, in this video here I'm going to show you my A-frame type hydroponic system. There are 12 tubes, each holding 14 heads of basil. It sits in a footprint of about 6 foot by 10 foot. Let's start off here on the side. This is what a delivery system is. I have a small reservoir here attached to a larger reservoir and a float valve. Okay. Our water comes up this line here to a filter. This filter here has a ball check valve on the bottom where I can just open up and flush out the filter. Comes up here to a manifold. Now I had to put these little valves in here afterwards because I found out that I was dropping pressure when I went up to the top and too much on the bottom. Now if we look here, got our water coming out. These are 3-inch sewer and drain pipe, which means you're a lighter schedule PVC than your normal PVC pipe. A lot easier to cut. They're a little cheaper. Caps are cheaper. I also use these brackets. These brackets are real nice because once you set your top ones level, and what you could do is just go ahead and put your ones and butt it right up against the bottom. So you don't have to worry about keep leveling off every time you put a new pipe on. Here we got our drain. You can see the drain runs from here down to here. I have a ball check valve right here because I plan on putting another system right next to it and tying it in. And I have this cap here that just lifts off. What I do with that is, that's how I adjust my pH. I just pour my pH up or pH down inside of it. You see here. That's where the water enters. Water travels down the tubes. Now I really don't consider this an NFT system because the NFT is called nutrient film technique. In this system here, it's on a film of water. As you can see, it's about half the tube, basically a little bit above the bottom of this net cup. Water travels down. Basically goes into the drains. You can see here I have actually a thermometer. It's reading about 86.6. It's about 100 degrees with 100% humidity here in New Jersey right now. And then here on the back side is where a drain assembly is. You notice that we have 3/4 inch piping going down into this T manifold here. Now these just slide in. Notice here I can lift it out. The reason for that is just because if I want to clean my channels, I can just lift the channels right out. The way I have it done is basically have just sandwiched in there with an O-ring and a little bit of silicone, and it works fine. And the system here, the way it is it's 6 foot. First I start off with a 6 foot piece of 2x4, and this here is 6 foot. So it's 6 by 6, and I go ahead and I just join these two here, and then between here and the other side, it's a little under 10 feet. So we have 168 heads of basil.